This is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're here on a move out cleaning here. 3 bedrooms, hallway, stairs. So check it out. It's a pet cleaning and a pet. The bathroom lot. Look at this. Pet hair. It's all pet hair, look. It's pet hair. Alright. Alright, so we cleaned that room, the other room, hallway here. Clean water goes in there. Dirty water comes out. There it is. Alright, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're finished with the move out cleaning here. Take a look. Got all that pet hair up. There's pet hair all along the walls. Got that up. There was paint all on the floor. We got all that up too. All right. Stay tuned for the next cleaning.